Hi guys, how's everyone doing? Just want to bring you a new product I just picked up. I've done some of these in the past, but this is a really good one that will make your car a lot more useful, a lot easier to use. Something that probably should have been stock to begin with. But let me go ahead and show you what I just picked up. So this adapter right here is from Atach, and these are really easy to use. They work perfectly. I highly recommend them if your car does not have wireless CarPlay, but instead uses a wired connection. This is a perfect solution for it. So easy to use. So here you get the adapter itself, and then it's a USB, but they give you the USB-C adapter. So depending on what car you have, it'll work with either one too. So this car here takes a USB, so it gets plugged in right here, so I won't have to use adapter. But you just plug it in, and then you go into your Bluetooth settings on your phone and pair it with your car the first time that you plug this in. Then once you do it the first time, it'll automatically pair every time you start your car up. You don't have to do it ever again. What's nice about this is this one has a HDMI port. So if you have like a Fire Stick, you could plug it in there and then watch videos and stuff on your screen here using the Fire Stick. So that's a great feature as well. A lot of them don't have that. But let me go ahead and show how fast the setup is. So you plug it in. Let's turn the car on here. Like I said, it's really straightforward. It makes the car so much nicer. I can leave my phone in my pocket and it pairs, play your music, your maps, whatever you need to do. Okay, so it's plugged in, and then it's going to prompt you on the screen if you want to enable access. You're going to push yes, of course. And then once you do that, you go into your phone. Okay, you click here on the right hand side of it. Then open the Bluetooth setting on your phone, and you're going to see the AutoCast up there, and then select it and it'll link to it. That's all you do. And like I said, you only have to do that the first time with all of them, how you set these things up. Then once you get in the car, it automatically pairs to it. You don't have to do it each time. It's seamless. Okay, so I went in my phone and did that, and here's how it pops up. And sorry for the glare, guys. It's not really focusing right now, but it'll be CarPlay on your screen. So whatever you have in your phone, it'll be on your screen. So whatever music app you like listening to, your maps, whatever is accessible through CarPlay or Android Auto, it'll be on here without having to plug your phone in every time. I like that because it makes it easy. And like I said, you just plug this in, and then you just store it inside the cubby here, and you just forget about it. And you're good to go. I hated having to plug my phone in every single time to play my music and all that. Now, as soon as I start my car, within 5 seconds, it'll link automatically, and you're good to go. So this is the Car TV Mate by Atach. I'll put a link in the description, guys. It's on a good sale right now as well. So if you're looking for one of these, I'd highly recommend picking it up. And I was surprised how many cars come with a wired connection instead of wireless too. So especially this car, I would thought it'd be wireless. But again, if you want to plug in the HDMI with a Fire Stick, that's a great option for you as well. So you can actually watch stuff on your screen. Makes it super easy. And there's nothing else you need to do except plug the stuff into it. So again, I wanted to share this with you guys because it just makes it a lot more seamless. You know, it kind of felt old school having to plug your phone in to listen to your music and use your maps and all that, especially in a car like the Acuras. I thought would all have them, and they do now, but when I had this in 2021, it's a wired connection still. So again, if you're looking for that wireless CarPlay connectivity, I'd highly recommend picking this up. Again, check the link in the description. I appreciate it as always. If you have any questions, comments, leave them below. I'll get right back to you. And until next time, guys, take care.